Okay, good evening and welcome to our Monday market updates. It's 11:38 p.m. It's May nga ba? Yeah, it's May 22, 11:38 p.m. Malapit ko na makalimutan na merong Monday market updates. It's been quite a busy few days for me. Just got off a meeting with one of my trading leaders and guild leaders in Trading Republic. We are revamping the whole thing. So for those of you who don't know what Trading Republic is, it's our aftercare community. It's for people who have enrolled into ZFT or people who just want to have community. Walang trading community and just want to have fun, want to learn how to trade, deal with the markets. We have crypto, PSE, US market, indices. Hindi lahat yun specialty ko. I'm just focusing on crypto right now. But everything we have for you guys, if you want to be learning how to trade, and if you don't know where to start, then give us a shot. So ito yung, this is what I've been working on. We're trying to gamify the whole trading experience and really compiling all our data, content, para mas maging maayos yung trading journey ng mga tao. Kasi some people would think, where do I start, right? Like, how do I start into trading? What I do? Sometimes people are so bombarded with all the information that's out there. And so we're trying to simplify that whole process and make sure that we create meaningful content and meaningful engagement para naman masaya. Mahirap na yung trading di ba? So, ayun. That's what I've been working on. And feels like baka hanggang next month tatrabahuin ko to. Ayun. So, let's go to our usual stuff, our usual updates, which is the crypto markets. And let's start with BTC just because it's like the index of crypto. I'm not gonna explain most of the stuff that I usually explain already kasi alam niyo na yun. Baka may nagsasawa na rin kayo, but I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown on the things that you need to be looking at, which is ito, yung ating current support and resistance levels. Currently kasi nasa sideways yung galaw ng BTC Andito siya sa, ranging sa 27,000. Okay, gawin lang nating tight range. So ito yung resistance levels natin and ito yung support area natin. You see that 100 MA is already here and medyo good yan kasi nakikita na natin that it's being supported, the price. But my bias, so this is like me thinking from my gut, right? Tingin ko magre-retest tayo dito. Itong levels na to. So, just be prepared if mangyari yan. If hindi, okay lang, best. I mean, that's really the best case scenario na hindi na mangyari to. But, ang nangyari dito? Ba't ang daming ganyan? Pero hindi naman siya nagpapakita. Okay, anyway. Let's try that again. Okay, LH. Ayun, lumabas na siya. Okay, bloopers guys. So, ito yung tinitingnan kong support levels or yung mga worst case scenario areas natin. Why? Because nangyari na siya dito. Itong candle na yan. After that, tuloy-tuloy yung akyat ng Bitcoin. So, it might happen again here. It might not, which is, if hindi mangyari, then better, right? It's good. But, just be prepared for anything. Pwede kang maglagay ng mga spot orders dito just in case lang na malalaglag yan. It could happen this week. It could happen before the month ends. But what's important is that we are prepared whether or not it happens. Ayan. If magbe-breakout dyan, good times ulit tayo, guys. Good vibes. So, ayan yung mga levels to watch natin. And then, what are the other things that I'm watching? We have Ethereum. Ethereum, same as BTC. Hopefully, hindi na siya ganun ka bumagsak or bumaba. But just in case lang na bumagsak siya, then you're prepared for these levels. 1,600 levels na yan. And then, we have Solana, of course. Yes. So, currently, nandito na siya sa, natin. Parang may major support na tayo Pero, my bias is magbe-breakdown to. Sabay-sabay sila with Bitcoin and others. And then, baka mamaya makita natin dito sa mga levels na to, 17 to 16 levels. Pero, kung mangyari yan, mag-shopping ako because those levels are ridiculously low already. And that means I could buy my NFTs for cheaper as well. And hopefully by then, magkakaroon ng late reaction hindi ma-realize ng mga tao na mura pala ng Solana. And so that means mura din yung mga NFTs. So if you buy NFTs at that levels, you might want to, let's say, buy buy those NFTs habang mura siya and then mag-shoot up yun kasi bumagsak yung Solana. But who knows, no? Baka mamaya mas bumagsak pa siya or what. So anything can happen really. But if you're the type na conservative, you wanna make sure na bibili ka na lang pagka sigurado na top trend na, bili ka na lang pagka nag-break ang 21 levels na yan. Saka, itong mga levels na to. So just buy in tranches para hindi ka ma-pressure. Saka, mahirap kasi pagka yung mindset natin is, saluhin natin yung baba. Baka mamaya, never na yan na, the dip keeps dipping. Keeps on dipping. And you don't want that to happen. Catching a falling knife. Aside from those, we do have, let's say, BNB. I'm also looking at that. Ito yung mga levels na yan for support. Medyo malalim. Pwede din naman dito. But yeah, these are the levels that I'm watching. And we have, for memes naman, Doge, the usual. Itong mga levels na to, keep watch. Ayan. If you want to be sigurista, ito na lang yung mga bibilhin mo ng mga levels. Pag nabasag itong mga levels yan, which is 0.81 and 0.094 levels. Pag nabasag yan, most likely aakyat tayo. I mean, di ba? Obviously. But here are our support levels if ever you're looking saan pwedeng pumulot, ganyan. Low risk investments. And SHIB as well. Syempre hindi natin kalimutan to. Yan. So, these levels for support, pwede rin naman kayong bumili at these levels. Pero, mas maganda talaga pagka bumili kayo when that 100 MA goes below prices. Kasi by then, it's an indication na halos lahat na absorb na or marami ng in profits at hindi na in red. And most likely, they're just gonna be adding to their investments, which will cause a chain reaction and just everything goes up. In a instant, in an ideal world. Ayan, so I've covered SHIB, I've covered Doge, Ape as well, Ape token. Anything can happen here, especially pagka umakyat yung yung Bored Ape na token as well, or yung NFT pala. Ayan, if you wanna buy, just buy when that 100 MA goes below prices. It's easier, it's safer, I would say, than to buy here in these levels. Hindi natin kasi alam kung ano mangyari dyan eh. But anyways, there's that. As for market leaders, we have, TRX. Ito yung isa sa mga nagiging obvious na market leaders. After that breakout over here from that resistance, tuloy-tuloy na yung akyat eh. Of course, we're gonna be waiting for some sort of pullback, but keep your eyes, focused on this one because that's an obvious leader in the market right now na parang halos lahat sideways or down. Ito yung talagang umaakyat eh. So what do you do in this kind of market pagka sideways? Liquidity, I would say. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano to gawin eh. So just continue to do this, I would say, kasi this is the safest bet that you can do, especially if you don't want much volatility that's happening or the market is not trending yet. It's still on a sideways. This is the best way, or this is the best option that you can make. Most of the money that I'm putting my funds, or most of my money where I am right now is here in the Liquidity Mining and decentralized exchanges. Putting it here in Orca. Recently, I just sold into Forge, which is the utility token of punta tayo dun. So, saan ba yan? Si Forge. Ayun. So, Forge is the utility token of BSL or Smiths. Ito, Smiths. Kaya to nag-pump is because by next month, I think. Next month na ba? Yeah, parang next month, magkakaroon to ng mint sa secondary collection nila, which is called Migos. I think I've already mentioned this on the previous video. But yeah, we have that NFT coming up. And one of the ways to get whitelisted is if you own BSL, and you're gonna need Forge, which is itong utility token nila, for you to be able to avail of that, or to mint that NFT. I think they're also gonna be minting in Solana, but you need to be Forge listed. what do you call it? Migos listed. I forgot what it's called, guys. But yeah, I've already sold most of my positions. These are just trading positions that I've been, buying. So nakapag-position na ako dito. So kung nakasakay kayo, nakisabay kayo sa akin, well, congrats to us. Thank you guys. Kumita tayo ng pera. And then, ayan. So nilagay ko siya actually dito. Tapos, in-exit ko na yung mga sobra ko. Most of it kasi, nag-TP na kasi ako dito eh. This is like around 80-70%. Or if bumili ka dito, more than 100% na yung inakit niya eh. Teka. Check natin ah. Ayan. So, if bumili kayo dito, ayan 14. Yeah. DYM ka na. So, there's that. So, ito talaga yung maganda sa NFTs. Like, if you are following yung mga projects nila, tapos kapag may nakita kang catalyst, and then they would say na parang, oh guys, ito yung timeline. This is the timeline that we're looking at where we're gonna be minting this and that. You can actually kind of like, anticipate ano yung magiging moves niya. Like, ayan, pwede kang bumili ng BSL dito, tapos sell mo here or around 70 to 80. I think it's gonna reach 70 by the time that Migos will be magkakaroon ng snapshot for Smiths for Migos. But ayun, for me, meron pa rin naman akong ibang forge dun sa ibang account. But here, dito sa isang account ko, I've already sold. Tapos nilipat ko sa RLB. Saan ba? Ayan. So, most of the stuff that you see here is in RLB. Iba't ibang levels yan. Meaning, iba't ibang strategy yan, guys. Hindi ko na-explain kung bakit. But, ayan. Diversify ko lang siya. So, lagi ko tong madalas kong i-trade to. But here, kasi nag-position din ako. And then, most of the RLB that I got, hindi ko pa binibenta eh. Paano ba? Hindi. Nabenta ko na yung iba in terms of liquidity mining. And then, I'm just really rebalancing this. So, you don't see any red. But, marami akong nabenta na. I'm not gonna explain how it looks like. But, basically, ganun. Through liquidity yung pagbenta ko. And then, I just get like, every transaction that's happening, I get yields. So it's not like with Binance here, right? With Binance kasi, this is how you go, right? Liquidity farming and then punta ka dito. You see the total yield because it's like from 0 to infinity. Ganun yung range niya. The yield is smaller. But, paano ba? But it's safer, I would say. Relatively safer from market volatility. Pero yun lang, konti lang nakukuha mo na mga rewards. For me, parang mga 3 to 4 weeks na yata to. Na nakalagay lang yung pera natin dito sa yung rewards natin. So, itong total unclaimed rewards, yan yung parang pagkahalimbawa, marami nagtitrade ng RLB, ARB or Arbitrum, right? And then dun sa Arbitrum USDT na pool na kung asan ako naka-invest, ayun, since meron akong konting share na doon, a portion of those fees that are being produced, nakakakuha ako doon ng rewards. So, I get some. So, if I go to my portion, ayan, around $5 yung unclaimed rewards ko. Pero, kita nyo naman dito, yung portion value or how much yung kinita ko or yung nalugi ko. So, ever since I've gotten into this pool or nilagay ko yung dalawang assets ko, which is Arbitrum and also USDT, it's already negative $127. But ayun, kalahati nung assets ko nasa kalahati ng assets ko nasa USDT. So hindi talaga siya malaki yung binagsak. As opposed to, let's say, if I just just put my funds into ARB, then ang laki ng damage. Siguro doble yung magiging damage nito. Which is around 240, 253 something. Yeah. Dollars. So, ayan, anytime I can claim this and then it's just gonna go to my spot and then from there I can decide if I want to put it into, put it back here into these pools over here. So, iba-iba yung mga rewards niyan depending on the pool that you invested in. So, for example, here in ETH USDT, I get USDT and then ETH and then also BNB because I put my funds here in BNB. I mean, in Binance. So, these are the techniques that you can do if ever you're planning to invest. Especially now, na sobrang baba ng mga prices. Like, I would say, if you're gonna get into crypto, this would be one of the best times to be buying, or this is one of the best seasons. I mean, again, not financial advice, but this is like from my perspective, since the market moves in cycles, and then if you have money to spare for the next 1 year, hindi nyo kailangan yan, buy and hold itong mga tokens na na feature natin dito. Tapos just DCA, dollar cost average, like monthly, or let's say bi-monthly, maglagay kayo ng pera. You're gonna think yourself, let's say 6 a year from now, ganun na lang para safe tayo. Hindi kasi natin masabi kung kailan yung magiging full on bull market, but when that happens, itong mga to mababa na guys yung times 2. Pwedeng pwedeng mag times 5, pwedeng times 10, pwedeng times 100. Yan. So just put your money put money that you can afford to lose and that you don't need for at least a year into this crypto. Lagay na kayo guys, kaysa sa maglagay kayo when things are maingay. Pagka sobrang ingay, yan na yung time na dapat mag-sell na tayo guys. Ayan. So, hindi ko pala feature yung Pepecoin, which is something that you can be trading in Binance as well. But I did not feature this because for me, late na eh. If ever you wanna go to meme coins, just go to the OGs. Mas established kasi yung mga yung mga communities doon compared to itong mga bagong labas like Pepe. Ano pa ba? Yung mga malala dito talaga sa itong mga to. Hindi ko na i-feature yan. Baka may pumasok kayo, tapos masusunog lang kayo. But anyways, ayun guys. There's that. What else? RLB, I've already featured. Smiths, I've already featured as well. GP, yes, of course, GP. GP, yung bago nilang update for this one, this is again the utility token for Tire Robotics. So with Tire Robotics, they have several updates, which is parang meron silang mga create na mga bagong products, which is mini games or PvP, kind of like, I wouldn't say casino, but I think they also are integrating some of their casino products, wherein if you, let's say, bet a certain amount or use their technology, yung Tire Robotics technology, every time that you have a transaction, they're going to be taking a fee, a very small fee, which they're going to be using to buy back GP, buy back and burn or buy GP. So I think yun yung nakita ko sa bagong updates nila. I've been actively trading and rebalancing my GP assets. So everyday kasi to na may naka-claim akong GP tokens, pero hindi ko naman to ibebenta lahat. Ayan, currently I have around 767 na GP. So hinihintay ko lang talaga to na umakyat pa. At saka really just waiting for that bull market. Pag nag-bull market to, hindi natin alam kung asan to pwedeng umabot. But yeah, really this is one of the projects that I'm very bullish on. And you have if you go to Tire Robotics, sobrang mura lang ng Tire Robotics guys eh. Where are you? Tire Robotics. There you go. Tire Robotics. Ayan, 87.49 Solana. This is ridiculously cheap for this kind of a project. And nasa support na siya in Solana, in NFT Solana price terms. I might just buy myself some. Ayun. Tapos yung dati kasi may dito may isang player na nagbenta ng marami. Na-absorb na yun eh. So, sobrang konti na lang or sobrang nipis na lang nitong call na to. And 45 listed, sobrang konti na lang. So, if I'm gonna be hyping you guys with projects, this is going to be my top. Kasi mura na siya. You earn something and then it's one of the best builders in the space. So, this one and also Smiths. I wouldn't be hyping you with Sol Casino. Next time papakita ko sa inyo yung passive returns nito, but basically if you sige, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. So Sol Casino, if you go there, you can deposit your Solana Casino NFT, and then pwede nyo siyang i-stake. It's gonna give you SCS tokens. SCS is their utility token. You can use it to gamble in their website. You can use it to deposit into their protocol. I think you earn 1,666 or 1,669. I forgot. But it's around $3 yung nakukuha nyo every day. At current prices, pwedeng bumagsak to, pwedeng umakyat. So, depende. But this is the competitor of RLB. And hindi ko alam parang si RLB, parang 10,000 yata yung collection niya. SCS mas maliit. But SES has been really delivering on their promises. They've already been in the space for more than a year and quite successful casino project. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang dito actually with Sol Casino is yung nakukuha ko ng mga, or actually bumili ako ng maraming SES tokens tapos stinake ko dun sa pool. So, if you go here in pool, again, pwede nyo ring, when you stake your NFT, your bears, it's gonna, kasi currently halos lahat ng NFTs ko is locked hindi pa yan unlocked, pero by next month marami na akong ma-unlock ng mga bears. I can stake these bears and then they're gonna give me again that 1,669 tokens, and then I can put it here into the pool, which is the USDC pool or yung revenue share nila. So a part of the revenue that these people get from their casino, right? They share it with the stakers nitong SCS tokens. So current APY or APR or yield in a year is 211%. So around, again, this number can go down or can go up depending on casino revenue. That's number one. And number two is the number of stakers into the pool. So if they decide na, sige, we're just gonna add, let's say, 1 million tokens to be farmed kasi marami silang pera, then this would go up. But then if people would see that and then they would say, you know what, let's buy these SCS tokens and then just stake it here into the pool, then bababa din itong percent yield na to. So those are the scenarios that could happen. And merong, take note, there's a deposit fee and also an unstaking fee, which is around 4%. That's the maximum. Deposit fee fixed yan ng 2%. So ibig sabihin, pagka meron kang 1 million SCS tokens, they're gonna take 2% of that, which is a little bit masakit. Unless long-term ka dito, like talagang gagatasan mo yung revenue share nila na model, then go ahead, no problem. But yeah, unstaking fee, I think if it's 0 to 2%, I think, if I read it correctly, if you have staked for at least 6 months, then your fee just goes to 0. But, ayun, kung constant ka na parang nag-deposit ka today and then withdraw mo tomorrow, you're gonna be incurring that fee, which is 4% na total pagka in-unstake mo siya. The only time that I would probably recommend you unstake or magiging sulit itong unstake is if this SCS token would really go up high, like itong RLB, and then let's say ang laki na ng kinita mo, then go ahead. But then again, depende yan kasi paano kung tuloy-tuloy lang yung magiging profits nila? Then you wouldn't want to be taking out your SES tokens outside of that pool kasi you just want to be harvesting that. So ever since that I've been bumili kasi ako ng maraming SES tokens, tapos tinake ko lang siya, and then here I am, I'm earning around 254 USDC. So kailan ko ba to tinake? Hindi nakalagay nakalagay lang yung total stake, but ends on this one. So ito, again, they can just like continuously replenish that if they wanted to. And then you can, if you have NFTs here in this pool, you can just use that to claim itong mga lottery tickets every day. Up to you kung mahilig kayo magloto. Free lotto for life, I guess, until this project is living. Then go ahead. As for the Maya update, so ito na siya ngayon. It's 171,000. Original cost or total cost is 200,000. And hindi na ako magdadagdag nito, by the way. Yeah, so last update around 174 or 176,000 na siya. Pero hindi na masyado malaki yung binagsak niya for some reason. Baka mamaya bottom na tayo. Hopefully bottom na. But I do think that we still have that one more bottom and then afterwards akyat na tayo. So abangan na lang yan, guys. But yeah, that's the update for the Maya. Again, I don't recommend that you trade crypto on Maya because meron silang mataas na I wouldn't say fee, hindi yun tama yung term spread. So you're buying crypto at a premium of 5% if ever you're gonna do that, which I do not recommend. If ever man na bumili kayo ng crypto, just do it in Binance or do it on other exchanges, just not in Maya. Alright. Sayang pera. So I guess ayun lang. Wala na ata akong ibang ma-recommend sa inyo guys eh. Ito like sina Sharky, yung rev share. I've covered this already, extensively already. So hindi ko na ito i-cover. But yeah, it's one of the things na trending at saka solid. So good job. That's it. That's it for today's update. I'll try to give you more updates when I get them. But let me just work on our community first because ang dami kong kailangan trabahuin, guys. But I'm so excited about these things. There's so many things happening in our community. So many work that has to be done. But yeah, it's worth it naman. Very, very worth it. And excited for you guys. Excited for actually, I'm really just waiting patiently for this bull market to happen. Hopefully, ganito yung magiging itsura niyan pagka nagsimula na eh. Parang after that, mga retests. And then, magkakaroon na tayo ng steady uptrend. And then, that beautiful breakout that happens over here. And then from there, tuloy-tuloy na tayo. But, yeah, that's gonna happen if BTC would just go on sideways or just do that retest and then sideways and then tuloy-tuloy na yung akyat. This is your, weekly? This is your monthly reminder to add to your investments, guys. Because habang mababa pa yung mga prices, take advantage of it. Bilhin lang kayo ulit or benta lang tayo pagka maingay na ulit yung market at punong-puno na ng hype. So that's it, guys. I'm signing off. See you on the next update.